Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to extract and copy the exact title from any YouTube video instantly. And the best part is, it's completely free. Before we jump into it, please hit the like button and subscribe. And definitely check the description for some helpful tools I've added for you. To get started, open the YouTube Title Extractor tool using the link I've added in the description box. Once the tool opens, you will see a text field labeled YouTube Video URL. Now, go to YouTube and find the video you want to grab the title from. Copy that video's share link. Come back to the tool and paste the link directly into the input box. Then click on the big Extract Title button. The tool will instantly process the link and generate your data under the Extraction Results section. It displays a clean information card showing the video's thumbnail preview, full title, and real-time stats like views, likes, and comments. Right next to it, you'll see a title length counter displaying the exact number of characters in the title. If you scroll down to the video title area, you'll find the exact text of the title cleanly displayed in its own dedicated box. To grab it for your own notes or research, simply click the Copy Title button on the right side.